Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mix and match the cutest hair combos to give you styles that are drop dead adorable. So if you want to know this hair combo, just watch the steps in this video. So what you need to do first is go to the Updo hair category, then put on this hair, this double bun hair, and I'm going to choose a brown color. So I'm going to mix this dark brown and this lighter brown color, and then still on the Updo hair category, put on this one, and I'm going to use this light brown color, and go to the straight hair category and put on this hair, toggle it into only bangs, and use both of the color like this. And last one, put on this short hair, and again use only the bangs, use the same color, and that's it. So now you'll get this cute hair in DTI for your look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.